to our HubSpot Service Hub item of the week. Understanding the last message and visitor property.
I'm going to get a bit geeky here, Ian.
And why is this important, Craig, to know the last message from the visitor and their receive date?
Here's the common scenario. We've got a ticket. I've sent something to the client. I think it's resolved. I'm going to mark it as closed. They reply, okay, we want that to reopen the ticket. But we only want it to do it under certain circumstances. Like, oh, okay, well, there is that tick box you can use in settings.
Yes, correct.
Oh, but that doesn't always work. So maybe you don't want to use that. So you turn that off. You want to have your own ticket pipeline. Okay, so there's two properties you can pull from. Last message from visitor, that's a true or false. That's normally what you'd use. Yep. If it's true, oh, okay, triggers the workflow, might reopen the ticket, might do something, might send a notification. That will sometimes fail. And here's the gotcha. And I'm pretty sure down the track, one of the listeners will go, I remember them talking about this really weird scenario on the show, and I couldn't work it out because I racked my head about this for a little while till we sorted it out. And it's because last message from visitor only seems to be set if the reply comes in via an inbox channel. And so what's happened? Someone on the ticket has replied to the customer, but not using one of the inbox emails. They've maybe replied from their own personal email or something else. So then when the customer replies, it comes back onto the ticket, but it doesn't come via the inbox conversation. And so it still says false. So it doesn't trigger the workflow. Are you following me, Ian? Or have I totally bamboozled you? It's a really weird case.
Yeah, I'm getting
there's another property called last message receive date.
Yeah.
That's the one you got to use.
Got it.
I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to over-explain it because listeners are probably going to sleep already with me explaining it. But this was a crucial gotcha for a massive client. Tickets just not getting triggered and missing stuff coming back from clients. And that's a terrible experience.
Yeah.
It's come back into a ticket, was there, didn't reopen the ticket.
Yeah.
There you go. Someone will send me an email to thank me for this, I'm sure.